The ag community is the best club to be part of. It's a community that celebrates agriculture, the farm, the tillage of the soil, and the bounty that we deliver. The California Fig Board represents both fresh and dried figs. 100% of figs dried that are produced commercially in the United States come from California, and 98% of fresh figs. So I represent the entire industry. We do regulatory work to ensure the highest quality with inspection services. We also do marketing and research and support the efforts of the farmers. One of the things that we promote to both consumers and trade that are seeking non-pollinated fruit is that if you specify and seek out California-grown fresh or dried figs, you are going to get a fig that is self-pollinating, which means there's no wasp. So if you are vegan, you are able to enjoy figs every single day from California.